G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at 44 to 46 Seafarer Drive in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. This property really is a blank canvas with plenty of potential and needs to be sold. So let's go take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. Keen anglers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which is the gateway to access the Great Sandy Straits, K'gari, Fraser Island, along with the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You'll also enjoy the convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities only a short drive away, including the airport, shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, Hervey Bay's beautiful esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach. River Heads also has its own small community shopping centre which hosts a variety of convenient general stores. Positioned on a large 5,574 square metre allotment, that is just under 1.5 acres in the old scale, with the potential to subdivide subject to council and local authority searches. This sound brick home was built around the mid-1990s and offers loads of potential to add value. Upon entering, you will note the vast open-plan living and dining area with the kitchen off to one side does form the heart of this home. The kitchen provides ample bench and storage space as well as a pantry. Appliances include an electric cooktop and an oven. This home does include 3 bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes, and 2 of these also feature en-suites. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower and a toilet, and you've also got a separate powder room with a vanity. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes an oversized double garage. Those needing to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat have got loads of storage for shedding, and you've got ample space to add a pool as well if desired. Properties offering land size like this in this location and the potential to subdivide are always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.